Let's talk about cars. They're more than just machines, they're woven into the fabric of our daily lives. For many, cars represent freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the open road, but they also shape our cities, our environment, and even our culture. For over a century, it's been all about petrol engines, big, noisy, and full of character. These engines roared to life, filling the air with the scent of gasoline and the sound of horsepower. They powered everything from family road trips to legendary races and became icons of engineering and design. But now, something huge is happening. The electric car has arrived, and it's changing everything. It's not just a new type of vehicle, it's a shift in how we think about transportation itself. Electric cars are quieter, cleaner, and packed with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a tweak, it's a total reinvention. We're witnessing the biggest transformation in motoring since the very first automobiles hit the road. Out goes the complex, oily engine, an intricate web of pistons, gears, and exhaust pipes that define the car for generations. In comes a quiet electric motor and a big battery. Suddenly the heart of the car is silent, efficient, and almost maintenance-free. No more oil changes, no more tailpipe emissions. It feels like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Streets are filling with cars that glide by almost silently, turning heads and sparking curiosity wherever they go. Car makers are pouring billions into this electric revolution. Factories are being retooled, new jobs are being created, and entire industries are adapting to this new reality. Why now? Because our planet needs cleaner air, and technology has finally caught up. Batteries are better, motors are stronger, and cars are smarter. Cities are already seeing less smog, and drivers are discovering features they never imagined, like self-driving capabilities and seamless connectivity. Electric cars are moving from niche to mainstream, just like mobile phones did. Charging stations are popping up everywhere, and more people are making the switch every day. For drivers, this means a new era, quieter, cleaner, and smarter cars. The driving experience is being redefined with instant acceleration, intuitive controls, and a sense of calm inside the cabin. It's not just about what powers our wheels, it's about redefining driving itself. Exciting, absolutely. A bit scary, maybe, but it's the future, and it's arriving faster than anyone expected. Families, commuters, and car enthusiasts alike are all part of this journey. Buckle up as we dive into the world of electric cars. We'll explore the technology, the challenges, and the opportunities that lie ahead. Let's see what the future of driving really looks like, and how it might change the way we move, forever. One of the biggest selling points for electric cars, no exhaust pipe. That simple difference is more important than it might seem. While petrol and diesel vehicles constantly emit harmful gases every time they're driven, electric cars glide along without releasing a single puff of pollution from the tailpipe. Unlike petrol cars, there's no smoke, no fumes, just clean, silent motion. Electric cars move almost noiselessly, reducing noise pollution as well as air pollution. This makes city streets quieter and more pleasant for everyone. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions. That's a game changer for city air quality. With more electric vehicles on the road, we can dramatically cut down on the pollutants that make city air hard to breathe. Imagine city centers without smog, cleaner buildings, and healthier lungs. Cleaner air means fewer respiratory problems, less asthma, and a better quality of life for everyone who lives and works in urban areas. Pollution from petrol and diesel cars causes real health problems, especially for kids and the elderly. These groups are the most vulnerable to dirty air, suffering from increased rates of asthma, heart disease, and other serious conditions. Every electric car on the road means less pollution in our neighborhoods. Cleaner air isn't just a city issue, it matters in suburbs and small towns too, where people want to breathe easy and enjoy their surroundings. When we choose electric, we're protecting the most vulnerable members of our communities, our children, our grandparents, and those with health conditions who need clean air the most. But what about the electricity? Yes, power stations can pollute, but it's easier to control emissions from a few big plants than millions of cars. Centralized power generation means we can use advanced technology to capture and reduce emissions at the source. Plus, more of our electricity is coming from renewables like wind and solar every year. The cleaner our energy sources become, the cleaner every electric car on the road gets, even if you bought your car years ago. As the grid gets greener, so do electric cars. Charging up with renewable energy means your daily commute can be powered by the sun or the wind, not fossil fuels. The result? Cleaner air, healthier cities, and a win-win for everyone. Less pollution means more time outdoors, safer exercise, and a more vibrant city life. Switching to electric is a simple, powerful way to make a difference. Every driver who chooses electric helps push us closer to a future where clean air is the norm, not the exception. It's a change you can feel every time you breathe. Cleaner air isn't just an idea, it's something you notice in your lungs, your energy, and your overall well-being. The cleaner the grid, the cleaner your drive. As technology advances and renewables expand, electric cars will only get greener over time. Electric cars are leading the way to a healthier future. They're not just a trend, they're a crucial step towards cities and communities where everyone can thrive. No fumes, no fuss, just progress. Electric cars are proof that we can innovate for the better, making our world cleaner and more sustainable. That's the real power of electric. Cleaner air, quieter streets, and a brighter future for everyone. Electric cars aren't just about clean air, they're crucial in fighting climate change. Transport is a major source of CO2, and petrol cars are a big part of the problem. Electric cars produce no CO2 while driving, slashing your carbon footprint. Even factoring in electricity generation, they're cleaner than petrol cars, and getting better as the grid goes green. Governments know this, which is why they're pushing electric cars with bans on new petrol vehicles and incentives for buyers. More electric cars mean more investment, better tech, and a growing charging network. It's a positive cycle, accelerating the shift away from fossil fuels. Together, we can drive real change for the planet. Step inside an electric car and you'll find more than just a new engine. It's a tech revolution. Huge touchscreens replace old dials, and advanced software runs the show. The battery, hidden under the floor, gives a low center of gravity for better handling. A smart battery management system keeps everything running smoothly, whatever the weather. Regenerative braking turns slowing down into extra range, wasting less, saving more. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get smarter overnight, just like your phone. Electric cars aren't just vehicles, they're evolving machines. They get better with time, not worse. It's a new era of driving intelligence. The future isn't just electric, it's clever. Welcome to the smart car age. Let's talk about the fun part. Driving. Electric cars deliver instant power. No revving, no waiting. Just go. That surge pins you to your seat, making even family cars feel quick. City driving becomes effortless, overtaking is a breeze. And then there's the silence. No engine noise, just calm. The cabin is peaceful, conversations are easy, and long drives are less tiring. No gears, just smooth, seamless acceleration. It's like gliding on a magic carpet. Electric cars offer a new kind of thrill, refined, modern, and addictive. Once you try it, the old way feels outdated. Effortless speed, serene composure. That's the electric driving experience. It's performance, redefined, and it's here to stay.